Today, you will learn the biggest trading lesson ever. You will also practice the best momentum trading strategy with the best trading view indicator. We will cover everything that you can ever imagine with top-down analysis from high time frames to low time frames. Are you ready for it? Then let's do this. Let's have a talk about today's number one top gainer coin, the ARK, a beautiful price action. We will discover everything about this coin from the weekly to minute-based charts. Let's go on. From the weekly, the first thing I have noticed is this great swing failure pattern at the bottom and the uptrend liquidity created above. Finally, this nice weekly imbalance that was calling us for a trade. Okay, all this good. Now we also have this gigantic mega imbalance above. This is a big maybe. If the global coin rally starts, we will definitely hit this imbalance. Actually, most of the coins were accumulated for weeks and months by now, which is a great sign. Daily chart also has a nice indications for us. First of all, we have a brand new daily market structure break. There's a high possibility of a pullback and another rally in the upcoming weeks. Please watch this coin carefully. But we are interested in today, of course, daily scalps and day trading. With the full momentum here, this coin gained the top gainer status today. Let's move on to the momentum chart and talk about our best indicator called ICT high time frame candles. Thanks to this indicator, we can see the optimal entry zones. As you can see, price hits this middle imbalance at the same time with 4 different time frames. And this is where the price fuels up for the next rally. It is basically accumulating orders in the lower time frames. Okay, now all we need to do is seek entries in the lower time frames. At the point of supercharge, we almost hit this lovely support and resistance flip area. It is just a tiny miss. Price also gathers this nice downtrend liquidity for us, trapping the short traders. After supercharging, we create our microstructure break, as you can see, and the imbalance is our entry point. Now, the market gives you a very clear 2R setup here. No greed and no ambition. Take your 2R and move on. But as you can see, this was a tricky and hard to hold trade. I would cut a break even here probably. I'm not sure. What about a yo-yo strategy? Let's discuss a masterclass yo-yo entry now. If I were doing a yo-yo trade here, my first entry here would be the same with traditional trade setup, as you can see. My next entry would be this deep imbalance area. The last imbalance inside our structure box. My last and final and the third entry would be this combo of liquidity and imbalance for final fuel point. I would create this nice average and wait for the profit. As you can see, trading style is just a simple choices. After a long practice, you'll decide on what really suits you. Okay friends, it is almost weekend, time to relax and chill some. See you next time and please take care of yourself. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.